Okay guys, saan ang camera nito? Video vlog check, and this is a vlog test of the brand new OPPO F7. So, teka muna, hindi ko pa alam ang specs sa camera nito, but I see a new camera specs. Ilang ano to? 20? Alin yung 24 meg? 25 yung rear?
Yung harap.
Yung harap is 25.
16 yung likod.
16 yung rear. Oh my god, this is a 25 megapixel front camera with the rear camera na 15 megapixel ba? Tama ba? So I see na talaga nagbago yung itsura niya. By the way, I'm here at the Grand Hyatt Manila doing a video vlog test of the OPPO F7's front camera, and I noticed there's no longer the wide angle switch which you can turn the camera kasi the difference with the OPPO F3 Plus, there's a dual camera at the front but isang camera sa rear. So dun sa front camera ng F3 Plus can do a wide selfie or video off from the OPPO. But here for the OPPO F7, there's no longer the dual camera capability, but I can see only one lens at the front and also one lens at the rear. So let's check out the rear camera and see how it performs. By the way, I'm shooting this at 1080p. So this is the rear camera. Okay, check it out, yo. This is shooting at around 1080p. Ayan, it's so very clear, crystal clear. I super like the the style. Hello. So let's do a zoom. Oy, nice. Super linaw ng zoom niya. 4x. This is 4x. 4x zoom. And let's go back to the normal zoom, which is 1x. So that's the rear camera. And let's switch to this environment now. So yeah, I'm using the rear camera for vlogging. Fortunately, wala akong makita, so I'm not sure if it's in focus. So lakad-lakad tayo dito. Yan, so sobrang ganda. This is a red colored OPPO F7. So ayan, check it out, yo. So let's do a super focus using the camera. Oh, ang ganda. Nice. I think the focusing is very faster, and yan, yung mga sa event tayo ng Shopee eh. Hello. So napabonus tayo doon. So let's switch back to the front camera naman. So okay, so sobrang bilis na kanyang focusing of the OPPO F7, and I heard the SRP is around 17,000. Bam, 17,000 to?
17,990.
17,990 yung SRP niya. It will be out soon this month, maybe next week, or baka just wait for the pre-order of the OPPO F7 at any OPPO store or the OPPO Facebook page and website. So medyo parang cloudy because of the lighting. So try kong punasan to. Ayan, mas much better, no, kasi medyo may smudge yung kaninang ano. So ngayon that's much better siya. Let's check out the let's enter the grand ballroom for a good lighting. So ayan. Nice. It's ganda ng venue. Nice. Also if I have the golden background. Ganda. So I'm not sure, no. Hindi ko pa na-check yung audio nito. Sana maganda yung audio nito. Sana maganda yung video pickup and recording. Para if we can judge then later if it's a good vlogging camera for everyone. So ayun, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to buy OPPO F7, and I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure.